I'm starting this video with the beautiful roses, and the topic is this monsoon grow these plants for free from stem cuttings. Instead of growing plants from seeds and wasting too much time in the process, you can multiply them easily by taking a cutting. If you wonder what are the best plants for this, then check out the list of plants that grow from stem cuttings in India. So, first of all, I discuss types of cuttings. Softwood cuttings. Softwood cuttings are comparatively soft and taken from the fresh, new growing stems in springs and summers. Second is semi-hard cuttings, also known as semi-ripe cuttings. These cuttings are somewhat tough, firm, and partially woody. Snip them from mature plants from midsummer till the fall. Third one is hardwood cuttings. These are firm cuttings taken from the woody plants, trees, and climbers. Cut them during the dormant phase when there is no sign of active growth. Fourth is greenwood cuttings. Cut green wood from herbaceous plants that have non-woody stems. So friends, the first on my list is list of plants that grow from stem cuttings in India. Mums. Take 4 to 6 inches cutting right after the blooming period in springs and summers from the branch with new growth and plant it in pot with potting mix. The second plant is Song of India. Take 6 to 8 inches cutting just below the node and snip away the lower leaves. Plant it where it gets ample humidity and light. Third one is rose. Snip its 6 to 8 inches long softwood cutting from spring to summers. Cut it at 45-degree angle. Remove all the top leaves too to prevent energy diversion. Fourth one on my list is butterfly bush. During spring and summer, take 5 to 6 inches long cutting from fresh growth before it turns woody. Make sure to remove the leaves from bottom 3 inches of the cutting. Fifth one is hydrangea. As experts take 5 to 6 inches long cutting from a branch that did not bloom in the current year. It should have at least one leaf node. Angle's trumpet. You can grow it from both softwood and semi-hard cuttings. Pick a semi-wood branch and take 5 to 8 inches of cutting. Gardenia. Take softwood or semi-hard cutting during early summer. Look for a healthy stem that has a flexible green tip with a set of young leaves. Dahlia. Choose a firm and healthy tuber during winter. Cutting gives birth to the clone of mother plant. Hence, you can have numerous set of dahlias from a single tuber. Philodendron. For multiplying this plant, take 5 to 8 inches of cutting during the active growth period. Also, you can propagate it both soil and water. Jade. Propagate jade only during early summer. Snip 4-5 inches long cutting and let the cuttings air dry for a few days to help it develop callus before planting. Mint. Cut 4 to 5 inches cutting below the leaf node from a healthy branch and propagate it directly in the vase of water. Once it forms roots, you can transfer it into pot. Arrowhead plant. Snip away 6 to 10 inches long cutting below the bud. Put it directly in a vase of water or soil. You will absorb new shoots in 7 to 14 days and the new set of leaves in 3 to 4 weeks. The next on my list is hibiscus. You can take both semi-hard and softwood cutting for hibiscus propagation. Snip away 5 to 8 inches long, one below the leaf node, and propagate it in a vase of water. Another one is oleander. It is usually grown from semi-hard cutting, but you can use green wood cutting too. Cut at least 6 to 8 inches long stem and plant in soilless media like compost. And last on my list is English ivy. Semi-hard and hardwood you can propagate from both cuttings. Take 6 to 8 inches, one with fewer nodes, and propagate it in a glass of water. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope this video helps you to find out the top plants you can grow from cuttings in the rainy season or in the monsoon season. If you have any query regarding any, if you want to watch any other topic, you can add it in the comment box. If you're new to my channel, then also subscribe to my channel. And thank you friends, thanks for watching. Thank you.